Fidor Bank offers a range of interest-earning options designed for savers who want flexibility and competitive returns. Among these, the standout choice is the Fidor Smart Current account paired with their high-yield savings features. This account allows users to earn interest on their deposits while maintaining easy access to their funds, unlike traditional fixed-term accounts. The interest rate on the Fidor Smart Current account is dynamic, adjusting slightly according to market conditions, but it consistently outperforms standard checking accounts offered by conventional banks. For those who prefer to maximize returns, Fidor Bank also provides a dedicated savings account option. Depositors can earn up to 2.5% annually, paid monthly, on balances over a certain threshold. This rate is considerably higher than the national average for online savings accounts and makes it a compelling choice for both short-term and long-term savings. The bank applies interest automatically, compounding monthly, which allows your funds to grow steadily over time without any manual intervention. Another interest-earning opportunity is through Fidor's investment-linked accounts, which offer slightly higher returns by leveraging low-risk financial instruments. These accounts often require a minimum deposit, typically starting at $1,000, and the interest rates vary depending on market performance. While not as liquid as the Smart Current account, these options are ideal for savers who can leave their money untouched for several months. Fidor Bank's digital-first approach ensures all account management, including monitoring interest accrual, is handled through their mobile app or online portal. Notifications on earned interest, balance growth, and account activity keep users fully informed. Overall, for anyone looking to earn the best returns while maintaining control over their funds, Fidor Bank's Smart Current account combined with their high-yield savings features offers a superior balance of interest rates, flexibility, and accessibility.